if you're a haunter, you know that when we have extra time, we don't really have extra time because we feel the need to fill that extra time with more projects and more props. So there's that. Really quick update on our cemetery gate. This took longer than I anticipated. We had to remeasure, of course, measure twice, cut once. We measured twice, cut once, and then was also like, oh, wait a minute. So, but we figured it out. This is our basic style. We have some more PVC that is going to go on there in a more decorative manner. This is what we have so far. We had a piece. We got these off of Amazon, and we had a piece break. That was my fault. And then we lost the bottom part. I lost this bottom part and only had this top arrow part. And so one of our amazing friends and super talented and creative haunt builder and scare actor, Molly, was here working yesterday with me, and so she actually made a piece out of foam that we were able to just Gorilla Glue. She was being super perfectionist about it and unhappy with how it turned out. I'm like, Molly girl, we're gonna get that painted black, get it on there, and nobody's gonna tell the difference. Of course, one-handed, I don't have it on there, it's crooked. Understand, got it. But look at that. Like, nobody's gonna tell the difference. Are you kidding me? And she made it out of XPS foam. So I got it painted, it's ready to go. I'll add the decorative piece of PVC, and then these will be ready to paint and be added to our pillars. So just a quick update there, guys. We're moving along. We're actually in a really good spot for early September. We're ahead this year. Definitely ahead of where we were this time last year, so I'm feeling in a really good spot. If you're a haunter, you know that when we have extra time, we don't really have extra time because we feel the need to fill that extra time with more projects and more props. So there's that. Have a great day. See you soon.